Today we're going to be using the e.l.f. Decay Burn to Run eyeshadow palette. I'm going to start with applying the shade Still Shot with a blending brush and blend that all over my crease as a transition shade. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab this shade Riff and apply it below the first color I applied with a little bit more like precision. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab Still Shot again and just blend them a little bit more together. Now I'm going to be grabbing the shade Baja and I'm going to be applying that on my outer corner and bringing it a little bit to like the middle part of my eye. So you can see that. Now I'm going to be grabbing Buddha's Gone and I'm going to focus that on the outer corner just to darken things up. I'm going to be grabbing the shade Punk and I'm going to deepen a little bit more precisely the outer corner of the eye. And now I'm going to grab the shade Weekender on my eyelid. And right in between where the shade Weekender and the shade Punk meet, I'm gonna grab the shade Accelerate, which is a chrome orange. Put it right in the middle. I'm gonna dust my bake off. And now I'm gonna work on the lower lash line. I'm gonna grab the shade Baja. I'm going to be grabbing the shade Breakaway and I'm just going to apply that in the inner corner of my eye just to highlight a little bit there. There we have it. I'm going to apply some eyeliner. There we have my wing liner. I'm going to be applying some mascara. This is the Lash Paradise from e.l.f. I'm going to be using In the Balm of Your Hand Volume 2 from the THEBALM Cosmetics palette. I'm going to be grabbing the shade Down Boy, which is a blush. I'm going to be applying it. Then I'm going to grab Bahama Mama, which is the bronzer, and I'm going to contour with it and bronze up a little there. Now I'm going to be grabbing the highlighting shade. This is Mary-Lou from the THEBALM Cosmetics as well. I'm highlighting. I'm going to be contouring my nose with the same Bahama Mama shade. There you have it. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. lip scrub. And I'm just going to exfoliate my lips before applying any lipstick. This tastes like watermelon. And I'm just going to be applying a Covergirl lip gloss. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.